Robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering that uses technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. It deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Nowadays, robots are used to build cars, manufacture and pack items, perform surgeries, etc. They are also used in space exploration, laboratory research, bomb dispersal, farming, mining, etc. Household robots like cooking bots, lawn mower and vacuum bots have proved to be helpful assistants. A robot may resemble a human, or it may be in the form of a robotic application such as Robotic Process Automation (RPA). Robotic Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) is a software robot running on physical or virtual machine that mimics human actions. With RPA, software users create software robots that can learn, mimic, and then execute rule-based business processes. The purpose of RPA is to transfer the execution of the process from humans to robots. It is actually a sequence of commands executed by the robots using a set of business rules. It is used in processing payroll, call center operations, credit card applications, etc. Some popular robots. Sophia is considered the most advanced humanoid robot. It is the world's first robot citizen. Aibo is a robotic dog. It can develop emotional bonds with family members and provide love and affection. Pepper is a friendly humanoid designed to be a companion in-home and help customers at retail stores. Atlas robot provides emergency services in rescue operations. It is also called disaster response robot. Now is a small humanoid robot packed with sensors. It can walk, dance, speak and recognize faces and objects. HRP-5P is used for handling large objects and tools on construction sites. Asimo travels all around the world as a brand ambassador of robots, making people aware how robots can make life easier. It can dance, run and even kick a soccer ball. 𝐂𝐿𝐴 robots' movements are more lifelike than other robots. Companies creating AI or machine learning technology can use 𝐂𝐿𝐴 to test and present their technology in front of a live audience.